YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. I got them in today, man. Got them in today. Yes, we have the big boy rotors in it, man, for the Dodge Magnum SRT8, man. Yeah, you know, they ready, man. Can't wait to put them on, man. But I'm gonna let y'all check this out right now, man. Yeah. Big dog rotors, man, for the 6 pistons. Yes, sir. Yep. These are used, as you can tell the wheel been on it. This particularly came off a Challenger. You know what I mean? Had like, I think it was like 8,800 miles on it. You know what I'm saying? But you see the rotors. You know what I mean? Still smooth. Still good. You know, it's hard to find these hats, man, that go on them, man, for real. And these is heavy. No lie, these is heavy. But I can wait to change these out, change these to DBA rings, get some DBA rings for them, but not now, probably like another year or two. Some DBA rings on them though, man. But I'm super happy that I got them, man. You already know we got the calipers. So we good with that. I'm gonna show y'all that on camera too after I take these off the table, you know what I'm saying? But show y'all the calipers too for the Magnum 6 piston daddies, you know what I mean? And also we're gonna probably do the we got the caliper kit that came, they got the caliper kit that came with it too. My bad, it didn't come with it. I had to order that separate, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna tell you all about that in the next clip, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the 6 piston rotors are in, you feel me? Off a Challenger, getting ready to go on a Magnum in about a month or two, you know what I mean? You feel me? Yeah, man, we got them in. You already know we ready. We ready, man. You know what I'm saying? So let y'all know I ain't playing no games. I'm serious about this SRT8. We gonna make this happen. We're gonna get the 6 pistons on there, and that's how it's gonna be, man. You feel me? So about to bring the rotors up here, not the rotor, about to bring the calipers up here. Show y'all the caliper kit that you know what I'm saying, I bought side because I needed some stuff with it. And also, man, we're gonna install the stickers, man. Yeah, we're gonna install the SRT stickers on the caliper, man. So yeah, let's get this done. All right, YouTube, we back, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do it like this for a minute before I show y'all, but y'all can see the red right here, the caliper. You know what I mean? Got the caliper kit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can read that. Probably can't because it's probably backwards, but it's a caliper pin clip kit for a front 6 piston brakes. Fits all Brembos. You know what I'm saying? Got this for ZZC Performance. They are a performance shop / store. You know what I mean? They do a lot of performance parts, mainly for the GM products, you know what I mean, them 90s and early 2000s GM cars. Especially, I needed them before my Riviera for my vacuum line because can't get a vacuum line no more. And thank God they specialize in performance GM cars, you know what I'm saying, back in the early, came out in the mid 90s and mid 2000s and late 2000s, you know what I'm saying. So anyway, sell kits like this. Caliper pin clip, because I don't have none of this. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I see right here, I got this bolt right here, which is, hold on a second, see if I can pull this out and show y'all. Hope I don't fall over. Which is this right here, you know what I mean? That's painted, that I just showed y'all. And it comes with 2 of them, like I said, come for 2, and the screw and all that crap. So this is screw, one another bars, whatever, that go right here. So everything I'm showing y'all, this bar right here. That's what this is. Didn't need one, but it came with it anyway. Might still just use that. This is already came with caliper. Come with these pins that go right here. Actually, it's good right now. I could test it before I I'm saying? Got the pins, go right here. I think this is about $25, man, so. All right, this is like this thing going in, G. Then we go on the other side. Let's see the other side. I know it's supposed to get knocked in anyway, though, so. But either way, we'll figure it out later, though. It should all be the same size. Let me see. Yeah, we're doing this all at once. So yeah, hold on. Probably just need it does got paint in here, so yeah. Like I said, it gotta be knocked in there anyway, so it ain't supposed to be pushed in anyway because it's supposed to be pressure on here. Also the clips, you know what I mean, go like that. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, all this is $25, man, so great deal, man. Thought it would be more. Only thing I'm missing is my bleeder screw right here. Missing the bleeder screw. You see the one on this side. See, this is missing. I have it for my other one right here. All right, got both of them right here. Bleeder screw. So got getting one of those. You know what I'm saying? But we good. Like I said, it's 6 piston, man. But y'all see the Brembo name too. The Brembo, man. See the Brembo name right here. Like I said, it's gonna be backwards, but it's all right. Brembo with the part number right here, man. So off a Challenger. And don't forget, I did paint these, but you see, it's what brake fluid do. Corrosive, man. Tore that mug up on some fresh paint. Anyway, put all this aside right quick. We got the new stickers, man. Yeah, the new stickers, man. I'm gonna put this on. I haven't seen them yet, so we're gonna look at these at the same time, man. So if they send me some wrong y'all gonna know at the same time I know. Go ahead and get this open, man. Oh yeah, them rotors is heavy as hell though. I know the UPS man was mad as hell bringing that to the front door. All right, got it in an envelope. All right, man, hold on. Probably ain't put no cardboard in here now. See what these stickers look like, man. These are the right ones I ordered. Look, another envelope. God damn, bro. Package right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You see him? Hold on. SRT Brembo. SRT Brembo. You feel me? I gotta see how it's gonna go on here though, for real. Real talk. You know what I mean? Should be white though. Now why ain't send me the white stickers though? Should have sent me the white stickers though. Looks cool. I'll take the black because you ain't gonna really see it anyway. You feel me? Yeah, we gonna install these right now, man. Fuck it. And I already cleaned them with alcohol, so we good on that. I'm gonna re-clear them too though. I'm gonna re-clear these later though. You gotta install them, motherfucker. It is what it is. So if I F up, at least I got one more to go. Let me see how these work. All right, YouTube, got them installed. But I'm gonna tell you right now, that shit ain't worth it. I'm gonna tell you the reason why. Man, when you peel this off, see this little clear thing right here? It's supposed to stick to this while you peel it off. So the letter is supposed to stick to this clear. Then you put it on, you know what I'm saying? I'll tell you right now, I had to peel it off the backing of this. You see this still got the Brembo still on here because it didn't peel off with this. I'm gonna tell you right now, that ain't worth it. Even though, especially for me, it ain't worth it. because you ain't gonna be able to see that anyway. But I'm gonna let y'all see this shit. Look at this, man. Look at this shit. Oh, let me flip the camera around for you right quick. Yeah, that ain't worth it to me. And I realized I ain't got the white stickers because I forgot to tell dude to put the white stickers on there. So the default is black. But it's cool, you know what I mean? But it's alright, ain't my thing, but better if it was white and better if these stickers would have came off easier, you know what I mean? Too much pain in the ass. But it's easy as hell if they came off. They would have came off correctly though. But fuck it. That was only $10, so I ain't really worried about it. I'ma keep them on there. Shit, it is what it is. I'ma clear coat it. Shit, after that, I ain't gonna clear coat today, but I'm clear coating when before I put them on the car, and that's what that gonna be. So yeah, man, got them in though. Rotors, calipers, it's all good, man. So like I said once before, y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe, man, to the channel. And more vids coming, man. All right, Young Rich 419. Peace.
Big head ass nigga. I'm just type nigga. Everything they gotta do with greatness. Put me right there. Type great. Type legendary. Type historical. Man, the God. I'm type that nigga. I'm type that nigga. I'm type that nigga. Yeah, I'm type this shit. You type ain't shit. I told you this. Yeah, I'm type really rich. You type really broke. Type really broke. Damn, I'm type really